Hinge works like most dating apps, letting you like or reject other users that appear on your feed. But unlike most dating apps, Hinge lets you like specific parts of someone's profile instead of the whole thing. When you sign up for Hinge, you have to give them all the standard information: your name, email, date of birth, and location. You also get the option to give more details about yourself, including your height, religion, political beliefs, and more. And then there are prompts. Prompts show up on every user's profile and are a major part of the Hinge experience. So much so that you have to fill out a minimum of 3 of them to use the app. With so many prompts to choose from, it's rare that you'll see 2 people with the same set, much less the same answers. Like other dating apps, Hinge shows you one user at a time. You can scroll through their pictures and prompts, then choose whether to like or reject them by tapping the heart icon or X icon. Unlike other apps though, you don't have to like someone's entire profile. If they've got a specific picture or prompt that piques your interest, you can like just that piece. It's a great way to let someone know that you're really paying attention to their profile and not just hitting like on everyone that comes your way. When you like something, you'll also get the chance to add a comment. In other apps, you'd have to wait for a match to start chatting. Here, you can start the conversation with just a like. You can also upgrade your like to a rose. Sending someone a rose bumps you to the top of their feed and shows that you're really interested. Standouts are another unique Hinge feature. Every day, Hinge generates a list of users most your type based on how they answered their prompts. Tapping on any of these prompts will bring you straight to that user's full profile, giving you immediate access to your most compatible matches.